as Pakistan clinched the Asia Cup Under-19 title after 13 years, and that too was joint winners with India, and now it's the first exclusive win for Pakistan as Pakistan turn around this campaign, starting gloomy but ending in a perfect sunshine. That's how good they have been, and this is the man, Sameer Minhas, in your picture, the champion batter, scoring twice 170 plus in the tournament, perhaps the only batter to score 2 centuries in the tournament, and they all get in the huddle and they all dance in joy. Look at Sarfaraz, look at the boys, and they have every right to enjoy the moment. They've worked hard and they can enjoy the success now as the captain leads them.
Well, they were on top of their game, might not have won the toss, but they did everything right after that. Got runs on the board, partnerships that mattered. The captain, Farhan Yusuf, going to be happy.
Of course, why not? Look at them pumped up, enjoying this victory, and he deserves this. Sameer Minhas being carried on the shoulders by Momin Qamar, and he certainly has batted like a champion, scoring centuries, scoring important runs in the semi-final as well on that difficult track. A shortened game of 27 overs. He came out, batted like a champion, and today when the big day came, he had kept the best for this day, and how good he was with the bat in hand. Sarfaraz Ahmed, the mentor of the side, is now congratulating his players, also talking to the match officials, and it's high fives everywhere as well. The fielding coach, fielding has been a special attribute for this young Pakistan Under-19 team. They've caught well, they have restricted the runs in the circle, they've effected run-outs, and this boy has done a great job with them as well. And Rao Iftikhar is into tears, the bowling coach. 4 months he's been in Multan working with these bowlers, and he has got the results. Says this is the only team in the tournament who has bowled out every opposition on every single occasion, including a 27-over game, and that is where they dismissed Bangladesh as well, one of the best batting sides in the tournament, were all out in 27. So a lot of credit goes to Rao Iftikhar and Anjum as well, and the whole bunch has worked really hard, and they've got a magnificent result in the end, becoming the champions after 13 years, exclusively for the first time. Pakistan ending up the Under-19 Asian champions, and what a moment for them, and what a win. With just a few days away is the World Cup of Under-19, and they will carry the right kind of mindset and the confidence into that tournament when they travel to Zimbabwe, which is their next flight. So they couldn't have asked for a better outing, and this is how it all happened in the end. This is the last wicket where Pakistan won this tournament. Well taken by Hussain. He has been wonderful in this tournament. He's scored 100, scored 50s as well. He's batted in the pressure moments, and he's deserved it. And Ali Raza, he hasn't been among the wickets greatly, but he's bowled with great pace, and he's been spoken about a lot, and we've seen a lot of batters staying on the leg side while facing Ali Raza, and that's the kind of effect that he has brought in with his pace. And a lot of joy for these Pakistan supporters. And look at Sarfaraz, boy is he happy. He will be reliving the Champions Trophy 2017 final. Then he was the captain, now he's the mentor, and he will think of himself as being a very lucky person, because this is the second time he's ended up in a final against India on the winning side, once as a captain, once as a mentor. And not to forget the people who have worked behind the scenes with this Pakistan team. Azhar Ali was the head of the youth development for 4 or 5 months, and lately he's just been replaced by